Okay, so today we are going to make an holiday card. Okay, so very first thing that we are going to do, we are going to select a sprite. Can you click over here? Let's click over here and click on the magnifying glass.
Sir,
Okay, very good.
sir, your voice is breaking.
Voice is breaking. Okay.
Sir, your voice is really breaking.
Can you guys hear me or not?
Yes,
Everyone?
sir.
Now I can hear you.
Okay. Panav, do one thing. Type over here snow. S-N-O-W. Type over here snow. Okay, very good. Click on the snowman. Very nice. Now, can you drag it over here? Just select the snowman and drag it with your mouse. Over here. You have to click on the snowman. I'm just circling it over there. Is it possible for you to drag it? Just take your mouse and wherever I'm doing a circle, can you drag it over there? You have to click your mouse on this particular snowman.
Okay.
Not able to do it?
Not that dish.
Do you have any parent with you right now?
Yes,
Yes.
Okay. Can you please select this with mouse, the one which I'm doing a circle with the red one. I'm doing a circle on your screen with the red one. Are you able to see the circle?
Actually, there are two snowmans. One
No,
is
I'm not. No, I'm not talking on this. On the right hand side, the big snowman what we have.
yeah. Currently, the cursor.
Yes. Can you? Is it able for you to take your mouse cursor over there and then drag it? Not this one. Sorry, not this one.
Okay.
Can you take? Okay. Can you give me remote control? Okay. This snowman I'm talking about, you have to drag it. Okay.
From where did you get this?
You guys are not able to see the snowman.
No. Actually, it's behind the screen. Currently, I'm using this.
You are using one laptop or multiple devices and you share the entire screen.
Now I got it.
Okay. So what others have done the same thing?
Yes, sir.
Chris,
Yes,
you have
sir.
done. Ian, you have done.
Yes,
Ian, you
sir,
have
I've done it.
selected it. Anant, you have selected it.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Very good. We are going to create a holiday card. So for that particular holiday card, we have got a snowman. Now we will again select second sprite. Can you go and click again on the sprite?
So which sprite?
I'll tell you once. Let's click over there and let's search for tree. Just type tree. Which tree do you like?
The tree one.
Whichever you want, you can take it. Okay, whichever tree you like. Okay, very good. And again, select the sprite. Look up.
So one more sprite we have to add.
Yes, yeah, we will add one more sprite. And this time, just search for hat. And select probably the party hats. Okay.
Party. Okay.
Okay, so now we have got three different sprites. So we are going to work with three sprites today. Everyone has selected three sprites.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So.
Ian, you have selected.
Sir, I am selecting.
Okay, shall I wait for you, Ian?
Sir, can we select a different type of hat?
Yes, you can select whichever hat you like, you can select. Okay. Everyone done?
Vihan is in. I'll just
Yes,
connect
sir, I
Sagar
have done.
with you. Okay.
Okay.
I'm sorry, children. You're waiting because of me.
Sir, I have selected.
Okay, I'm just waiting. Rakshita, you have selected?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hello, Sagarika. Hello, Vihan.
You're connected.
Sagarika, you can hear me? Okay. Very first thing, we are going to make coding for this particular snowman. We will make this snowman go to the right, go to the left. Okay. For to do that, we are going to select this sprite now. Please select this sprite at the bottom. Okay, very good. Now we want this snowman to move, okay, towards right. So we'll drag and drop the move block. Let's drag and drop the move block. Okay. And can you just click on that move block once? Let's click on move block once. Is it moving? Just click over here. Yeah. Okay, it's moving. Correct. Now we want this snowman to continuously walk. So we'll go to control. Let's go to control. And we will drag and drop forever. Let's drag and drop forever. Okay, very good. Now let's click on the forever block and see what happens. Let's click on the forever. So now we have to bring it back, right? Just drag and drop and bring this back over here.
Okay.
Pranav, you are doing or someone else is doing?
How to make this good?
Wait.
Okay. Is someone stuck right now? You have to click on the red button to stop your program. So once you are done that, then let's click on your red button.
That is right.
And then let's click on the red button. Okay. All right. Now, who is the next person to share the screen? Who will share next?
Sir, can I share my
So
screen?
can I?
Okay, let Rakshita share it. Sagarika, you joined?
Yeah.
Okay, so what we are doing, Sagarika, we are creating an holiday card today. We have selected 3 sprites. Okay, so let's see what all those 3 sprites are. Let Rakshita share screen.
Sir, you can't see my screen yet?
Not yet. It's coming up.
Now?
Yes.
Very good. Okay.
Sir, can you see?
Yes. So now let's do one thing, Rakshita. Let's try to place this. Okay. So this particular tree, right? Let's place it somewhere over here.
Over here?
Yes, wherever you like. Okay. Now, let's try to reduce the size of this hat. Just select the hat. From here, you can select it and reduce its size, probably 50 or something. Okay.
So where from the size?
Sir, it's too small.
Too small. Okay. So you think 75 is better. So whichever, because we need to make sure hat cannot be as big as tree, correct?
Hmm.
And so our snowman has to be smaller than tree and hat has to be smaller than snowman.
Yes, sir, it is.
Okay.
I guess 75 is good.
Okay. Ian, you have done this? Green flag, we will add it
Sure.
later. Don't add green flag right now. Okay. At the very end, we will add it.
So you have to
Yeah.
put 95.
No, 75.
75. Okay. All right. Now our snowman, when it is walking, it is not coming back, correct? It just keeps on going towards the right side. We want it
Yes.
to come back. To come back, we'll go back to motion. Let's go back to motion
Hmm.
and click on motion. There will be something called as if on edge bounce.
Yes.
Okay, let's put it over there. And now let's try your code and see what happens.
The below move 10 steps.
Okay, now the snowman head is down, correct? So we have to fix it. Okay, do you know what to do, Rakshita?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good.
Sir, can you just wait for 1 minute?
Okay, we'll wait now. And Rakshita, do one thing, just make move as 5 steps. Your snowman is very fast. Okay.
Okay.
And meanwhile, who is the next person to share?
So can I share?
Okay, Vihan. Krish, you are able to follow?
Yes, sir, I'm able to follow.
Okay, very good. Okay. You have to drag and drop, move 10 steps. Very good. Then you have to go to control. You want it to move 10 steps continuously. So you'll say forever. Very good. Then when it is going to hit the edge, you want it to come back. So you will say if on edge, bounce. So go to motion, go back to motion. There is a block which says if on edge, bounce. Yes. Very good. This one. Okay. Very nice. Then when it is coming back, its head is down, right? Let's try your code, Vihan. Let's click on this particular block forever first.
Yes.
Yes, let's check it how it looks like. So anytime you do some coding, just immediately check how it looks like. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Now you have to drag and drop set rotation style. You want to rotate it from left to right. Okay. Now let's check your code. Okay. Very nice. Yours is doing very good.
The below if on the edge bounce.
Uh-huh. Someone was asking question.
So we have to put the set rotation style left to right below the if on edge bounce.
Correct. Vihan, let's go back to the code. Let's complete code for the first sprite. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, since we are creating an holiday card, I want this sprite to say something. So I'll go to looks, go to looks, go to
Okay.
looks. Yeah. Drag and drop this over here. Say block. Vihan, can you type? Do you know? No,
So-
just put it above forever.
So say hello for 2 seconds or only say hello.
No, we'll change that. Can you? Okay. Okay, Vihan. Now we are in difficult situation. Okay, very good. Very nice. So wherever, okay, Vihan, very good. Wherever it is hello is written, can you say something else? Now let's talk about. Suppose we say, what do you want to say first?
Hi.
No, we will say happy holidays. Correct. We are making an holiday card. Correct.
Yes. So it is. So we have to type happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Holidays.
What?
Holidays.
What?
You type holidays.
Holidays. Right. You don't know how to type.
Okay.
What is this line?
Happy holidays.
What is line?
Huh? Sorry.
That line I have put it, so I have removed now line. Okay. Anant, you are able to follow? You have written happy holidays?
Yes, sir.
Ian, you have written. Do you know how to type, Ian?
Okay.
Okay, very good. Now let me go to Ian's machine. Okay, Ian, can you share? Okay, Ian, waiting for you to share. Okay, very good. You know how to type also, Ian? Very nice. Okay, just show me your code again. Happy holidays. Okay. Do not put green flag as of now. We'll do it later. Okay. All right. Just show me. Just click on the say block. Just click on the say block and let me see. Okay. Happy holidays, and then it starts walking. Okay. Your walking is too fast. Can you make it walk 5 steps? Hello, Saurish.
Hello, sir.
How are you? Okay, very good, Ian. Okay. Now, who is the next person? Krish, you have shared.
Sir, can I share?
Let Krish share and then I'll come to you. Okay. Okay, Krish. Now we are going to do it for the tree. Okay. Can you select tree? Now let's stop everything. Now we will do code for tree. Okay. Show me the costume first. What kind of costumes you have for this particular tree? You have first costume and show me the second costume. Okay, the tree's shape is changing. Okay, let's go to the code. So it all depends on which tree you have selected, but you can code for it. Okay. All right. So very first thing what we will do, we will go to control.
Okay.
Sorry, go to event. Sorry, I'm sorry. Go to event and say when, wait, let me mark it for you. Drag and drop this one when the sprite is clicked. Okay, so we'll do something new today. We are going to click that particular tree and then we want something to happen. Okay, so everyone has dragged on this one.
Yeah.
Then we will go to looks. Let's go to looks and say switch costume. Let's change the costume.
So below when sprite is clicked.
Correct. After that, we are going to change the costume of that particular tree. Okay.
Tree B A.
I think let's do it B because it starts with tree A. Okay. So because there are two costumes. Okay. Then what we will do, can you go back to motion? Let's go to motion.
So
Yes, Anand.
it's coming switch costume to. So switch costume to. It's only showing tree 1.
For you, it is only showing tree 1. It should be there. There should be 2 costumes for you. For everyone, it is showing one costume or what?
No, sir. For me, it's 2.
Okay, then Anand, try to change your tree. Try to select some other tree which has got 2 costumes. Okay.
Okay, I'll delete it.
Okay. Now what we want to do, we are going to make this tree also walk. Okay. So again, drag and drop, move over here. Do not attach it. Do not attach it. Drag it over here. Then we are going to go to control and drag and drop, repeat. Repeat over here. Okay, very good. And then go back to weight, drag and drop weight over here.
Okay.
The weight is on the top.
Oh.
Okay, and just wait for 0.2 seconds. Let's make it wait for 0.2 seconds.
So
Yes.
I selected another tree. It's come the okay in events option.
Hello, Saresh.
When the
Can you?
sprite
I'll come to you. Okay. So do one thing. Where you have repeat, right? Let's make it repeat 5 only.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And now let's try to understand what we are doing. Okay. We are saying whatever is in this block, repeat it 5 times. Okay. Can you click on this block now? Just click on this block.
move 10 steps.
Yeah, Krish, just click on the block. Okay, so now it is moving, right? Okay. Now when it is moving, we also want it to come back. So you with me? No, don't do that. Wait, don't do that. Can you do you know how to do right click?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. Go and right click on the block itself. Don't do it over here. On this block.
Here.
Block.
Yeah. Just right click the one above it where the repeat is there. Yeah, just to duplicate.
Oh, the repeat block.
Yes. Okay. Now just drag and drop it somewhere else. So now you have
Which one?
duplicated it. Okay.
Sir, I don't know how to duplicate it.
You have to right click. You have
Can
to
you
right.
tell me again, sir?
Okay. Krish, let someone else share the screen. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So where do I have to right click?
Yes, you have to share your screen.
Okay, so clean up blocks, undo, redo, add comment.
No, not. You have to be on the block and then right click. You have to take your mouse cursor on the block and then right click.
Sir, I'll show you.
Okay.
On this block?
Yes, right click.
Sir?
Why you're not?
Oh.
Just
Right,
go to
we have
your.
Just
Just
sir, we have
go
to
to your
just
right.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. No.
Now
Duplicate block.
Yes, very good.
Okay.
Okay, now just drag it somewhere else. Very good. Okay. Okay, now you guys have duplicated it. Everyone knows how to duplicate now. So our work. Okay, who is not able to do it?
So me, I'll share my screen.
Okay. Sarish, you are able to follow?
Yes. I'm
Okay.
using a tab, so what should I do?
Can you
Duplicate it.
from your mouse? Can you do tab? Can you do right click or not on the tab?
No, sir, I cannot.
You cannot do. Okay, then you have to create it again. Okay, if you cannot do it, then you need to create it. Just drag and drop these blocks again. If you're not able to do right click.
The wait block should be below the repeat block, right?
Wait block. No, we want to wait actually. After it moves some steps, then we want it to wait and then move the next 10 steps. Okay.
Okay,
All right.
so the wait block should be inside the repeat block.
Yes, the weight has to be inside the repeat block. Okay.
Sir, I
So
have a question.
yes, I'll come to you. Just give me, let me just finish this one. So Anand, what we are doing, we are moving 10 steps. Then we have to move back 10 steps also, correct? So we'll say
Yes.
move minus 10.
Okay.
Okay, let's do minus 10. Wait, I'll come to everyone's screen. Just wait. And then at the end, make switch costume again.
When this bounce.
Which costume? So here.
Yes, switch costume at the very end. Now try to attach all these things, okay? And then see
Trees.
what code you have written. Okay, attach the top one also. So when you are coding, you have to code one block at a time. After that, you have to attach things, okay?
So I have to put switch costume to tree A.
You
Sir,
have to
it's
do
working.
tree A. Yes, tree A you have to put. And now let's check your code. Just click on the sprite with your mouse. Okay, all right. So it is changing the costume also, correct?
Yes.
Okay, now who wants to share the next?
Sir, can I share?
Okay, Sagarika, go ahead. Okay, very good. So you are coding for the tree, okay?
Yeah. Sir, did we do anything for the hat?
Not yet as such.
Okay.
So just show me your code for the tree. Okay, you are saying when the sprite is clicked, then switch the costume. Very good. Then wait, then repeat, then wait. What I am thinking, it's just after this, just try. If you put wait inside the repeat block, whether it makes any difference or not. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
No,
And
sir, it makes no difference.
doesn't make any difference. Okay.
No.
Then don't do it. Okay. All right. So now you can attach these blocks together.
Okay.
Okay. Everyone has done coding for the tree also, or someone is left behind.
So done with code.
Sir, if you say wait after the repeat block, it moves too fast. That's the difference.
Wait, it's too fast. Yeah. Okay. Because it just wait for once, right? Doesn't continuously wait for it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir, I have not do the free one.
Okay. You have to share your screen, Ayan.
Go through it so I can practice it. Sir, this is
Okay. So, okay, you have very good. So your tree is moving. Okay, wait, 10. Okay, do one thing. This repeat is 2, right? Make repeat 10 over here.
10.
Yes, 10,
So 10.
10. Yeah. And over here, move minus 10 steps. Okay.
Where? Minus.
10.
Sir, I guess the switch costume should be below the second, above the second repeat block.
Yeah, so you can change it to see which one do you like the best. Okay. All right. So that's what we are doing coding.
Yes, sir, this looks better because when
Okay.
it's going, it comes back in the same direction, like looking the same way. It doesn't look like it's moving.
Okay.
Sir, now it's right.
Now you have to also put a switch costume at the bottom. Again, go back to looks.
To tree B. No. Okay.
A.
Which costume?
Yes. Okay. All right. Now click on your sprite. Okay.
Sir, I've done something different. After her, can I share my screen?
Yes, sure. Okay. Ian, your tree is looking good. Okay.
Sir, can you see now?
Yes, Ian, it is looking good now. So let's look into someone else's screen. Okay. Okay. Vihan, have you done? Vihan, do you want to share?
So mine is a
Yes,
little
sir.
different.
I'll come to you, Rakshita. I just want to make sure Vihan has done that. Okay. Vihan, waiting for you to share. Okay. Happy
Sir,
holidays.
after this, can I show?
Yes. Okay. And show me the code for the tree. Have you done code for the tree?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And okay, Vihan, just show me click on the tree. Okay. Okay. Now what you need to do for the tree, right? Very first thing we'll do, go to events, say when the sprite is clicked, drag and drop that. Okay. When the one below that, when the sprite is clicked, very good. Then you want to change the costume of this one, right? So you'll go to looks. You'll say switch costume. Okay, very good. All right. Then you want it to move. Okay. So go to motion. Okay. Say move. Yes. Drag and drop move block. And do not attach it for the time. Do not attach it. Just place it somewhere else. Very good. Now, no, wait. So switch costume would be attached over here. Go and attach it. This move block, for move block, let's go back to control. Drag and drop repeat block. We want to repeat something continuously. Okay, so drag and drop repeat block. No, place it over here. Let's remove it. Okay, very good. And then wait. Don't do that. Don't do that. Then drag this one and place it over here. Wait block. Okay, make this as 0.2.
0.2, sir.
0.2, yes.
Five.
Okay, now attach this over here. Okay, then do you know how to do right click, Vihan? Do you know how to do right click?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then you have to do right click over here on this particular block and then say duplicate. Okay, very nice. Okay, now for this, just make move -10 step over here. Just do it move -10. Okay, very good. Now attach this over here. Okay. this switch costume. Okay, you are doing it in the between, not a problem. Then move this over here. No, wait. Okay, move this over here. Okay, very good. And then after that, again put switch costume. Go to looks. And change this from tree 1. Just click over here.
Hello.
Yeah, just click. Oh, you only have one tree. Okay, then let's create a new costume for you. Go click over here in the costumes. Okay, can you do right click over here?
Yes, sir.
Can you do right click over here and do duplicate? Yeah, just to right click duplicate. Very good. All right. Now we will change the color of this particular thing. Okay. So select this. Okay. Have you selected this?
Yes, sir.
Just select this part, this bucket first. Okay, and change the select a different color. Just select a different green color. Yes, okay. And now click on the tree as such. Just click on the tree. Okay, very good. All right. So you now have two costumes. Okay, tree 1 and tree 2, which are different. Okay. Now let's go back to your code. Now scroll down. Over here, select tree. Yeah, select over here. Tree 2. Very good. Okay. Now just click on this particular one, this sprite. Now click on the sprite. No, sorry. Can you click on this sprite first? Let's go to the code for the tree. Okay. Now click on the sprite over here. Okay, it is moving.
Yes, sir.
And it is changing the tree also, right? Okay. So now let me go to Rakshita's screen. Rakshita, do you want to share?
Sir, I'll share after 1
Okay.
minute.
All right. Sagarika, you want to share?
Okay.
Who is Ashray?
Ashley.
Yes.
Laptop.
Oh, so you are not able to practice?
Yep.
Okay, yours is looking good. Okay. Now let's do one thing.
It is just taking the tab is not opening on scratch.
It's not opening. Did you check with your father, Shorish?
My father is taking a call till he'll take the call till 7.
Okay, then later we can discuss. Okay, so today you can watch. Okay.
Oh.
All right. Okay.
Can I share the screen?
Now let's code for the hat also. Okay. Sagarika, how many costumes we have got? Let's first check the costume.
Only one.
We have only one costume. Just check costume. Okay, then let's change the cost and so then let's do one thing, duplicate it and create one or more than one. No, so you have to go back to costume.
Okay.
Right click and duplicate and create, do one more duplicate. Let's create 3 costumes, okay?
Okay.
And then change some colors for each one of this, okay? So everyone is doing this. So what we are doing, we have one sprite. That sprite had one costume. We are creating new costumes for it, okay?
So how to duplicate? I can't duplicate it.
You cannot do it, right? So for you, okay, then let's do one thing. For you, you can do different coding, okay? You will not do change costume. You will probably do it, change the size, okay?
So the size will be.
Please come again.
Sir, Neha this side, Ian's mother.
Yes, please tell me.
पता नहीं क्या करता है और अब वो शुरू से वापस से याद नहीं है. Can you send me, मतलब जो भी कराया है मैं इसको घर में प्रैक्टिस करा दूंगी कुछ, मतलब कह रहे मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा.
Okay, so what I do, I record it every day. So I'll share that link with you.
Yes, so that he can practice at home, na?
But he was doing very good as of now. When he comes to the screen, he is able to do it.
But suddenly क्या होता है ये पता नहीं, या तो लैपटॉप की बैटरी नहीं देखता है या क्या, कुछ बंद हो जाता है लैपटॉप और फिर ये.
Okay, not a problem. And also, I believe he's sharing his everyday work also. Okay. So
Okay.
if you can just cross check where he has saved his work also.
I'm not getting any emails from you. I'm not getting.
No, I'm saying that Ian, whatever work he's doing, he's saving on his machine.
Okay, you are saving that. Okay.
Okay, so you can also open that and then can just have a look at it. Okay.
Fine.
Okay.
कोई बात नहीं, अब सर जो करा रहे वो तो.
Hi.
Yes, Suresh. Okay. So we have created 3 costumes. Okay.
Okay. So what should I do?
Anand, for you, what you can do, whatever code we will do for this cap, right? You can do some
Yes.
other code. For example, we are going to change costume. You can change the size, right? You can change the color. Okay. The way you did it for the alphabet.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So now let's go to Ian's screen. Ian, can you share? Where did your stuff go that you did? You created coding for tree and for the snowman, right? Ian, can you hear me?
He's muted.
Yeah, but he was doing it. Everything he was doing it. Ian, I cannot hear you. Yeah, Ian.
Yes, sir.
You did coding for snowman. You did coding for tree. Where is that?
Sir, my laptop was off, so I have made that was disappeared.
Okay, so you could not save your work. Okay, then let's do one thing, Ian. I am going to share this recording. Then you can have a look at this recording and then practice. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. All right. Rakshita. Can you hear me, Rakshita?
Sir, I have different costumes for my hat.
No problem.
So what to
Everyone,
do?
that's okay, right? So everyone would be different, correct?
Yes, sir. So I'm asking, did we do any coding for that except
No,
for
we have
changing the
not done
costume?
coding. We have just checked the coding. We have just done the costume. If you can show me, then
Yes,
we'll
sir.
start doing the coding also.
So can you see? Sir?
Wait. Okay, very good. All right.
Sir,
And-
I'll just
and-
show you my tree ka coding 1 minute.
Okay.
So it changes color at the end.
Okay, very good. All right. Then let's do coding for the hat. Okay. So what we will do, we will continuously change the costume. Okay. So go to looks and drag and drop. How many costume do you made?
Sir, I have 4 or something.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah,
Then drag these costume 4 times. First time, do not attach it. Do not attach it. 1, 2, 3, and 4 times. Okay. Then what
Sir?
you need to do? Yes.
I can't find my hat now.
You cannot find your hat.
It's
Where
not
it
in
go?
the screen.
Where did it
Just
go?
click on the sprite. Niche ka you have not. Just click on it. You'll find your sprite.
No, I cannot find.
I'll come to your screen, Anath. Okay. So what we have to do, Rakshita, for each, after we change a costume, we have to give a weight over here. Okay. So now go back to control. Give a weight of 0.2 second. Yeah. Say 0.2 second. Then attach this over here. Then give a weight of 0.2 second. Krish, you are doing the same thing. Okay, very good. Then give a weight of 0.2 second. And then put this entire thing in a forever loop. And now let's check how it looks like. Click on it. Okay, very good. Okay, all right. Your hat is good. Okay. Now let's go back to Krish screen. Or
Okay.
Anand, do you want to? Yeah, Anand, show me.
Sir, but then this hat is going too fast.
Then you have to make it wait for 0.5 second and check. Okay, wait for 1 second and check.
Sir, I think it's time. Sir, I think it's time. It's a 1.
Sir, can you see?
Yes, I can see it. Okay, show me. So change color size by 10, move 5 steps, change size. Okay. So what you can do over here, when you say change color effect by, right?
Yes.
Change size by 10, move 5 steps. When you say move 5 steps, it also has to come back then, right? If it has moved 5 steps, then you have to do again move minus 5 steps, correct? Otherwise, your hat will not come back. Do minus 5 steps. And now let's drag and drop your hat to the middle.
Right. It came.
Okay. Now we are going to add the last sprite over here, which will be a snowflake. So let me go to Krish screen now. Krish, can you share your screen?
So what do we have to add? Snowflake, right?
Snowflake, yes.
No, but then the snowflake is too big.
We have to change the size of that.
Sir, how many snowflakes should we add?
We will start with 1 and then we will see, okay?
So do we have to change background?
We will do it later as such, okay? All right, so can you add a new one, a new sprite? Let's go and add a new sprite.
No.
Okay, because yours is parties.
So I have to delete this.
Why? No, why you deleted it? We have to add a new sprite, correct?
Yes. So just
So now let's add a new sprite by snowflake.
Sir, 50 is also huge.
Which?
Okay, so don't just type snow over there. Just remove the hat word. Just type snow.
Okay, sir.
Okay, select snowflake. Okay, now make size as 25. Okay. Now we have to make sure the snowflake will fall from the top. Okay, Krish. So that means
sir.
we will go to motion. Let's go to motion. We are going to specify there will be something called as set Y. Just scroll down. Do we have a block by name set Y?
Yes, sir. This.
Okay, just drag and drop. Make set Y as, what's the number over here? Just make it 160. Okay, then go to motion.
So set Y to 160.
160. Go to motion.
So
Then,
motion.
yeah, then there will be something called as change Y.
Change Y, sir.
Yes.
Change Y by 10.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Do not attach it. And then go to control.
Okay.
Go to repeat. And put it over here, repeat.
So where?
In the change Y. Okay. So what we are trying to do is, we have a snowflake over here, for example. Okay. We want this snowflake to come down. How it can come down? If I do Y minus. Do Y minus, change Y by minus 5.
Minus 5.
Okay.
So set Y to 160 and change Y by minus 5.
Correct. Okay.
Sir,
Then what we need to do? We need to put this into a forever block.
sir,
Yes.
Sir, it is in a
happened
repeat
to my
block.
tree and I had to delete it.
What you need to delete?
The tree, something happened to my tree.
Okay. So I will share this recording. Then you can listen this recording and again practice.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do one thing. Put this over here. And put this into a forever loop.
Okay.
Like this.
The whole
Yes.
thing.
Yeah.
So hole is not coming.
Sir, it is coming, but then it falls only for a very, like it falls down and goes up and then again comes.
Yes. So it's just kind of a snowfall, right?
No, it's not. It's like
not?
it goes down and then it goes up and then it goes down.
Okay. It goes up also. Okay. Okay.
So
I think it's coming. For
Mine
him,
coming.
okay. So what we are trying to show over here is there is a snowfall which is going on. Okay. So we say set Y from top, it is going down.
Change.
Sir, how many times should I repeat this?
Let's repeat it 10 times and see. Okay.
So
All
for
right.
10 it's going really small.
Really small in the slow or
मतलब
small?
बहुत धीरे जा रहा है.
Okay. But then you have to change Y minus 10, right? Instead of minus 5, make it minus 10.
Sir, it's just 100. Repeat 100, then it goes down. पूरा नीचे.
Okay, got it. Because, okay. Now let's do one thing. Krish, what you have done, you have coded for just one snowflake right now, correct?
Yes, sir.
Do right click over here and do duplicate. Over here. Oh, no. Don't, just remove it as such, delete it. Just drag this over here. Okay.
So, sir, okay.
This sprite that I'm marking on the right hand side.
The snowflake.
Yeah, just right click and see, can you duplicate?
Yes.
Not duplicate it. Okay. Now let's look at the code. For this one, wait. Now we'll make changes for this code, right? The first one is falling over here, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now second one should also fall down. So we have to change the X and Y for it, correct? With me? With me, yes,
So
no?
one,
Yes, sir.
Okay.
so 1 minute. I have to choose the sprite. I can't duplicate it.
Okay.
I think both are same sprite.
Yes, but you are changing the things, right? Okay.
sir.
Now let's do one thing. Let's put green flag on top of it. And for you, Krish, first
Yes, sir.
let's change the stage as such. Let's change the stage for you.
Yes, sir.
Backdrop, sorry. Let's change the backdrop for you. And select snow. Snow. Just select any. Just select slopes as such. Okay. Very good. Okay. And now put green flag on top of everything.
Sir, only 2 snowflakes.
Over here, green won't be there. You can duplicate it. Like how many snowflakes you need. Suppose you require 5, you can duplicate 5 times. Okay.
You said we're gonna change the code, right?
Okay. Now let's go full screen and test how it looks like. Okay.
So
Click on
1
green.
minute.
Okay.
I didn't finish the second snowflake code.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Just 1 minute.
All right. Now, Krish, for you, this snowman is not saying happy holidays. You have to fix that, correct?
Okay, sir.
So you have to go to the looks block and then it should say.
Change y by -5.
And it is not walking also, correct?
Yes, sir. I've just wait and
Okay. Vihan, can you share? Who can share now?
Sir, I can.
Let Vihan share.
sir,
Why?
Okay. When you are clicking on it. Okay. Very good. Okay.
now,
And
sir,
for
it
the,
will move.
okay. All right. So you're waiting as such. Okay. Okay, who is sharing next? For you, Krish, your holiday card is complete. Okay, you can make some changes if you want to do that. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so now let me go to Vihan.
Mm,
Sir, one problem.
Yes.
The snowflakes fall down and then
Sir,
stay
should
at the ground. They don't fall again.
Then you have to do a coding, right? You have to change the y coordinate again to plus 150 because you started with 150. Then you do
160.
160. When you did minus, it was continuously changing. Then at the
Change
very
y
end,
by -10. Yes.
yes, so it becomes minus 150, right? Something. Then you have to again make it 160. Then it will again go
Plus
up.
1. So then I have to say change y by 10.
Correct. So now
Sir?
let me, yes.
Sir, can you show me the code for the snowflake?
Yeah, sure. Let me, Vihan, can you share your screen or not?
So we have to put a green flag on top.
For the snowflake, yes. Okay. All right, Vihan. Now let's select one of your snowflakes.
Sir,
You have selected. Very good. Now scroll down. Scroll down in the motion. We will first set the Y position. Okay. We'll say set Y. There would be block by name set Y. This one. Yeah. No, not change
Sir,
Y.
if I say change y by 10, it doesn't go down only.
Okay, we'll fix that. Okay. So set Y and just say 160.
Sir,
Okay.
next.
Then we have to change Y. There would be the next one, change Y. drag and drop change y, and do not attach it. So do not attach it. Make change y by -10. And then
Okay.
go to the control. Then say repeat. Okay, repeat it. Okay, put this change inside this. Okay, very good. Now attach this over here. Okay, then put a forever block. Just put it over here, forever block.
So yes, sir.
Yes, please put it. All right. Now now you have to duplicate this particular sprite for others also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So just uh, drag. Can you drag this entire thing and put it over here? Just drag this entire thing and put it over here.
Yes.
No, it did not go.
Sir, it didn't go for me also.
Okay, then it's a screen issue. Okay. Then you have to create it manually if it is not going that way. Okay. So whatever you coded for this one, you have to code it for the next sprite also. Okay. With me, Vihan? So just put a green flag on the top. No, this set y would be before that. Okay. Set y would be on the top.
Yes, sir. This I have to set on the top.
Set y, take it out, set y. No, not change y, set y. And put it over here. Okay, very good. So what we are saying, at the very start, y is 160, then repeat 10 times. So y will keep on changing by -10. Y will become 160, then -10 is 150, then 140. So this way, the flake is coming down, okay? That is why we are doing it.
Should I click it?
Yes, click it and see it's working.
Yes, sir, but only one flake is going, sir.
Only change set y. Okay, then forever. Okay, sorry, I told you wrong thing, sorry. This set y should come inside the forever thing. Let's try that.
Sir, it's gone somewhere, sir.
How can it can be gone? You must have made something. Okay.
I can't see it.
Then we have to quickly build it. Where did it go? You know?
No, when I was working.
Okay, click. Just stop your program. Just stop your program first.
Should I start sharing, sir?
No, just stop your program. This red button. Stop your red button. Okay. And select your snowflake code.
Sorry.
Okay, it is there.
Yes.
Now drag this thing inside the forever loop. This set y has to be inside the forever loop. Before the repeat one. Before the repeat.
This one, sir.
Somewhere over here it should be.
Repeat.
Just above the repeat it should be.
Forever.
Okay. Wait. Let's do one at a time. Can you make everything separate out? Let's separate out everything. Okay. Wait. Now this set y should go over here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then put repeat after this. No, again set y is inside that. No? Set y has to be outside of it. No, we are not doing it correctly, Vihan. Separate out everything.
So
Yes.
my snowflake is not going till the bottom. It's stopping in between.
Then you have to change your y coordinate. Okay. What you need to do, Vihan? Change y. Okay. This change y by -10 should go inside this. Let's do that first. Set y should go over here. Now this entire thing should go inside for forever loop. Okay. Okay, very good. Now attach green over here. Now click it and see.
Sir,
Yes.
can you please show me the code for the hat?
Hat, we just need to change the costume. We have to give a time of 0.2 seconds and just keep on changing the costume.
Sir,
Okay.
sir,
Yes.
it's just reaching to here.
Yes. So then we need to repeat instead of 10, make repeat as 50. Make repeat as 50. Okay. Now click the green flag. Okay. Right. Now let me go to the next one. Krish, you are done. Anant, have you can you show me yours?
So 1 minute, mine is not done.
Okay. Krish, you have saved your work?
16.
Yes, sir, I have saved.
Okay. Ian, you are seeing what others are doing?
So do I need to change the background?
Sir,
Yes, Anant, you have to put the background as no background.
No.
Ian, can you at least pick any one sprite and then do it? Because there are 3-4 sprites, correct? You would have seen how people are building the blocks.
hello?
Yes, sir, done.
Okay, show me. Vian, you have to stop sharing.
So in everything I need to put from events I need to put when clicked green flag.
Yes, you have to do that.
So, but for the tree, when this sprite is clicked,
No, then for that it is not needed, right? Because for that you are clicking on it.
Okay, I'll start sharing. Screen.
Okay.
So,
Show me in the full screen how it looks like. Very nice.
full screen.
Okay, just start again. Okay, very good. Very good. Show me the code for the snowflake.
Yes, sir.
You have done something very good. Show me the code for the snowflake. Set y, change y, very good. Very nice. So this is something new you did, right? Very good. You are
Yes.
changing y. Very good. And how you calculated that?
So I saw in this Y.
Okay, but that's very nice. In fact, you are able to understand, since we are starting from the top. When the snowflake comes down, we again have to change the y again. Very good.
Thank you.
Very nice. Okay. So
Let's stop sharing.
do you know how to save it?
Yes.
Okay,
5,
please
3.
save your work.
Save your computer.
Sagarika, you wanted to share?
So number goes to
Sir, 1
this.
minute.
Okay.
And this only comes.
Yeah, but can you ask someone in your family that you want to save this? Okay.
Okay.
All right.
I'll
Otherwise,
stop.
you won't be able to save your work.
Okay. I'll
Okay. Who is sharing next? Krish, you have done anything new?
Oh, sir, I was just listening.
You are just listening. Okay. But did you try changing the background and see which background looks better?
No, sir, I think that background was only good for that.
Okay. All right. Ian, can you share your screen and show me like anything new you did or no?
Sir, I have do nothing.
Okay. So can you stay back for 5 minutes? I'll again spend some time with you and then I can show you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right. Rakshita, you have done it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can share your screen and show.
Yes. Can you see?
Yes,
Sir, can
very
you
good.
see?
Yes, I can see it. You have to go full screen and show me. Okay, so you have very big snowflakes. Okay. And
The
how to
size
run?
is
Okay.
it goes
Okay,
to
very good. All right. So probably when your snowflakes are coming down, you have move over there, correct? But it looks very good. Okay. You have
where?
move. So whatever you coded for your snowflakes, correct?
Sir, I'll
You
show you. This is the code I did for the snow.
okay? So you say change y by -10, make it -2 to make it go slow, right?
Sir, can I share my screen?
Yes, sure. Okay, and this you have to do it for every snowflake, okay? And then cross check how it looks like. But just save your work, okay?
Yes, sir, it goes slower.
Okay. Hello, Sagarika.
Sir, can I share my screen?
Yes, Sagarika.
Sir, I added music also.
Same here.
Added music too. Okay, very good.
Yeah, I
But
don't
I
know if
cannot hear it. I can't hear it.
I haven't started.
You haven't started. Okay, start please. Oh, very good. Okay. Looks very
Sir, can you
nice.
hear?
Yes, I can hear. Yes, looks very good. Oh, sounds very good. Okay. All right. So please save your work. Rakshita, thank you. You can save your work. Sagarika, thank you. Anant, you can save your work. Krish, do you want to
Okay.
share something or you can share your work?
Sir, I have saved also.
Okay, then we will meet again next week. Vihan, you have also shared your work.
Sir, he came here and now he's running there.
Okay, all right. Okay, but just check with him. Okay, if you can just help him to save the work.
He knows how to.
Okay, very good. Yes, Vihan, can you show me what you have done?
Okay, sir. Sagrika, do you have to share, sir?
Yes, just show me, and then you can also save your work. And then when we meet next week, so do some changes to this holiday greeting. Oh, you have changed the hat color and everything. Very good. Okay. And if you play it, then what happens? If you go full screen and play it, you have put the green flag everywhere. Just put the green flag on each and every sprite.
All the sprites, sir.
Yes. You have to stop your sprite first. Then go to events and put your green flag. Okay. And for other sprites also, you have the green flag for everyone.
Yes.
This one snowflake, sir. And this, sir.
Okay. Can you go full screen and show me? Okay.
Sir, I have done something new. So after everybody is done, if you can see.
Okay. Right. Okay, very nice, Vihan. Just share, just save your work, okay? So, Krish, you have showed me very good. So, and anything else, Krish, or you can then log off?
Sir, I do not have anything to show.
Okay,
now.
but thank you. But then just practice what you have done, okay?
Sir, next week I will make something new.
Okay, thank you. Thanks for your time, Krish. I'll meet you
Welcome,
next
sir.
week.
Okay, sir. Bye.
Bye. Anand, you have saved it?
No, sir. My father is coming.
Okay. Let me go to Ian. Rakshita, can we do it next week? Because if you can save it, because Ian is waiting for a lot time.
So just 1 minute.
Okay, all right. Show me then fast.
So can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see. Show me, please. You changed the background. Earlier it was this one.
No,
or
no, it was this one.
same thing. Okay. Everyone is using their own background. Good. Happy holidays. Good. Wow. Okay, that's nice. Now, what you could do when your snowflakes are coming down, okay?
Yes.
For few of those snowflakes, change costume, because when
But
snow
there's
comes
only
down,
one costume.
but you can duplicate costumes, right? You know how to duplicate costume or not?
Yes, sir.
Correct. So now you have to think how I can make it better. Correct. So try to change the costume, try to change the color of snowflakes. Instead of blue, make it very light blue. Okay. So that it looks different as such. Okay. All right. Now let me go to Jan. So thank you again, Rakshita. I'll talk to you next week. Please save your work. Jan, please share your screen. Jan, you are able to share your screen, Jan? For others, you can then drop, okay? You can, I'll talk to you others.
So
Okay,
can
next
I
week.
leave?
Yes, Anant, you can leave. You have saved it, right? You have showed me also.
Yes.
Okay, thank you,
My
Anant.
father came and saved it.
Okay, and now you have learned how to save it.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, can I leave?
Yes, Vihan, thank you again. But practice it. Next time I'm going to ask question to you, Vihan.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can I leave?
Yes, Rakshita, thank you again. And change some colors of your. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Bye. Hello, Ian. Ian, can you hear me?
Okay, bye, sir.
Bye, Sagarika.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please share your screen, Ian. Okay. Now you know how to close that, close it. Yeah, close it. Close the cat also. Okay. Now let's first select sprite. Okay. Now first select snowman. Okay. Very good. Let's select snowman. Very good. Now we want snowman to walk. And you know how can it walk, right? Which block we have to use? Very good. And we want it to walk continuously. So we have to go to control block. Let's go to control block. We go to forever. Okay, very nice. Put this move inside this forever. Very good. Then when this snowman is going to hit this wall, we want it to come back. To do that, we'll go back to motion. Then say if on edge bounce. Very good. Okay. Then when it comes back, we want it to move left and right, right? So just scroll down. Very good. Set rotation style. Okay. Very good. All right. Now we will code for the next sprite, which is snowflake. Now select one more sprite. Okay. Now again type snow. Okay. Select snowflake. Okay. Now let's reduce the size of it. Make it 50. Just change size over here to 50. Very good. Okay, very nice. Can you, okay, now let's go back to the motion block. Let's go, and there would be a block which says set Y. Set Y, there would be block by name set Y. This one, yes. Make it set Y to 160. Okay, very good. Then let's go to control. Then drag and drop this repeat over here. Below that, below it. It should come over here, below it. Not over there, yes, below it, very good. Now inside this, we are going to put another block, which is change. Go to motion. There would be something called as change Y by, there's a block by name change Y.
Change Y by.
Yes, very good. Now put it inside this. Very nice. Okay, so what we are doing, we are saying there is a snowflake. Snowflake has to come down. To come down, we have to put minus over here. Put change Y by minus 10. Okay. Now put this over here. Just attach it. Very nice. Now put a forever over here. Forever has to be on the top. No. Everything has to come inside forever. Okay. No. This set Y. Okay. Let's try it again. Now let's do one by one. Okay. Again, we have to do everything. Can you just remove this? Okay. Very good. Repeat 10. Okay. So over here, go to motion. Change Y by, put this inside this. change y -5
Minus
5. Very good. Now put this over here. Okay, very good. Now go to control, drag and drop forever over here. Okay, very nice. Okay, now take this entire thing and put it inside. Okay, drag it. No, we left. Wait. Take it out. We left that. Can you? Okay, all right. Yeah. Put this above this. No. Okay. Can you now move everything inside this? No, again. Okay. Very good. All right. Now put a green flag. Events. Put a green flag. Very good. For snowman also put a green flag. Put a green flag. Okay, very good. Now go to backdrops. Select a backdrop. Search for snow. Select one of these, whatever you like. Which one do you like? Okay, very nice. Now let's go full screen. And then play it and see how it looks like. Okay, all right. So this way we are coding for it. Okay, so what I'll do, I'm going to share the recording. So you should look at that recording and then should practice Ian, correct?
okay, sir.
And do you know how to save this? Click over here again. Let's go back to your code. Stop this program. Go to file. Say save to your computer. Okay, so it will get saved to your computer. Next time you can open the file again and then can start working on it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'll share the recording. Please practice it. Look at the recording and then practice it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye.